guys, welcome back to my channel to another video. So this video is going to be a little, not different, because I've done this so many times. I didn't know the word I was looking for. It is another month, another unbagging. So it's that time of month again, which is Ipsy unbagging. I do not know what I got in my products except for one thing, only because Ipsy emailed me saying that once I receive this, please take it out of the mailbox as soon as possible and not to put it under directly sunlight, because it's what the little sticker right here says. I don't know if you can see that. My light's a little too bright, I want to say. Let me lower that down a little bit. Oops. Anyway, so it has a sticker right here, and so yeah, so I think they said it was a dry shampoo, but I don't know what the brand, I don't know what it looks like, I don't know anything at all about this Ipsy bag. I wanted to peek in, but I decided not to, and there is no card in it. So again, if you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a subscription that you pay $10 a month for 5 products, and yeah, you take a little test and stuff like that. It's only $10 a month, and I actually like it because, again, like I said in my other videos, it just introduces you to cosmetic brands that you've never heard of, or some that you have heard of. And if you are starting off in your makeup and you want to start off like a big collection, then I think this would be a perfect way. That way you can get products in the mail and whatnot. So the bag of this month, I already know that it's so cute, and Addis is going to take this away from me because this is her favorite color. But it's really like netty type. It's a very pretty bag. It's really calling my name. Like, I love bright colors. If you know anything about me, I love anything bright. Crazy colors out there, nothing natural. I'm not all about that life. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that I like anything that's vinyl or plasticky, because I feel it's just a much easier to clean your bag with. But it does look more sporty, which I know would be pretty cool for the girls. Like, they can use, like, you know, put their personal stuff in here, whether it's their phone because they hide it in the backpack, or like, you know, time of the month things, like you can put your pads and stuff like that in here. So I think it's really cool. I already like the colors. And then this right here, it's more plasticky. It says Ipsy. And then the zipper, it's like a lime green with a hot pink zipper. So it's just opening up this pretty bad boy, and the card is already in here. And the theme of it, it says I will conquer, and it says game phase. It's like, it says fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skincare routine. Right there, it already tells me this seems, I already knew it seems more like a sporty bag. And the inside I love because it is lime green and it brings out this color. So right away, I love it, and I love the way that it feels inside. More like a tracksuit, and I feel like it would be easy to clean anything. Like if you drop anything in here. So I'm just going to pull the first thing out, and this is by Dermelect. It's a microfacial exfoliating mask. It's a microfacial, which I'm all about face mask. I love face mask, and it's just so funny because the color on my nails, I'm actually wearing the brand from them, which is Dermelect. I think it's called, you say it, Dermelect. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. I love it, and it says it has coconut oil, which coconut oil is a really good ingredient in your mask and hair mask and all that. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try that. I didn't even know they had anything like that in their company. I thought it was just all about polish. But yeah, I like it. Their polishes, that is. I haven't tried this out. Excuse me. So I'm really excited to try that. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is called DLS, which is Dirty Little Secret, which is pretty cool because we all have that dirty little secret. And this is in eyeshadow. So let's open this pretty little box up and see. So I get I get this shade a lot. I've got different brands, and I keep getting this really pretty burgundy shade. I just got rid of one of them just because I don't use it, and I gave it to my sister. If you saw my Musical.ly or if you saw my Snapchat, you saw us like being funny and crazy. I was cleaning out my makeup, and she was helping me, and I was getting rid of some palettes that I don't use, or single eyeshadows I don't use. And I believe I got something rid of one of these just because they're just single, and I just don't go for them. I usually go for my palettes, but I don't know. I actually really do like this color. I've never used any of their things. Let's put this up there. It's really pretty and subtle. Of course, finger swatches and actually put it on your eyelid are totally different. So that is a pretty shade. I thought it was more of a burgundy, but it's coming out like a orangey type. So anyway, I'm excited to try that. And then let's pull out. So this is what they were warning me about. This is by Oribe, I guess you can say. It's a Gold Lust dry shampoo. Wow, Gold Lust. Does it have gold in it? I wonder. So this is what it looks like. It's really cool packaging. It's really like fancy. And yeah, I am all about trying out a dry shampoo just because it comes off like that. Just because I wash my hair maybe twice a week doesn't mean that I don't shower. I do shower every day. It's just washing my hair. As you can see, it's like all this brassiness. I actually need to go get my hair retouched to get that white. And if you see this purple strip, it always gets purple right here when I use purple shampoo. Like everything else, it'll like bring down like the brassiness, but just this right here, I always get this purple streak right here, which is pretty cool though, because I actually think I want to go purple soon. I don't know, we'll see. So anyway, it just says shake well, spray 8 to 10 seconds from scalp, tousle with fingers, or brush through until product is completely absorbed. So I can't wait to try this. I'll probably do a tutorial using this, and just like a hair tutorial or something. So the next thing I want to pull out is this called contour palette, and it is by City Color, which I've never heard about them. So this is what this little palette looks like, and these are really nice. Wow, they're really pigmented. I think I can work with that, maybe. I don't know. I don't want it to look too muddy on me. And then they have this other one shade. And then they have this like a nice highlight color. It's pretty though. It's like a little bit powdery. But I don't know. We'll see how this works and see how this looks. And yeah, I'm always looking for a new contour set to do my face with. And the last but not least, oh, I love NYX. I got a NYX nude lingerie lipstick, and let's see how this. I hate packaging like this because I swear I can never get this. I think I got it. I think I got it. 10 years later. So I finally got it packaged, and let's swatch this. It's a pretty color. The nudes is kind of really hard for me because some of them like really wash me out, but this one looks like a really pretty beauty color. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right there. It's pretty. I'm hoping it doesn't like wash me out though, because some nudes can really wash me out big time. So yeah, but I'm excited to try this out. So that, I believe, was all in my Ipsy bag. This month it's okay. I mean, the products are pretty decent. I've had better, to be honest with you. I'm just, to be honest, I'm really tired of getting single eyeshadows, just because they're just there. And then yeah, but other than that, I mean, this was with my Ipsy bag. I do like this. I want to try this out, and I do want to try this out. But yeah, so that is about it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and don't forget to slap that bell to be notified for future videos. So that is it, guys. I will let you go, and until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Bye.